just need forks.
Right. I don't think you need to watch something you usually have to just...
This is black bear.
Oh, he doesn't need to be checked.
Black bear reduced in red wine sauce, onions, garlic, cayenne, red pepper flakes, and buttery mashed potato. And this is gonna be banging.
And he played Battlefield 2 days.
Yeah, you can play it. You can't buy bear meat because you can't sell wild game.